Another premium project has just been completed by Lush Loom, this time at Trident Grand Residence in Dubai Marina. On 13 August 2026, our team transformed the apartment's windows with a combination of custom blackout roller blinds and elegant zebra blinds, designed to solve sunlight, privacy, and light control issues while keeping the interior stylish and modern. The project started with a simple problem. Early morning sunlight was making the bedroom too bright. The apartment featured large floor-to-ceiling windows, and sunlight reflected from the surrounding buildings directly into the bedroom. The client had already tried curtains, but they weren't providing the darkness and control she needed. That's when she contacted Lush Loom and booked a free on-site consultation.
During the consultation, our specialist carefully studied how sunlight entered each room before taking precise measurements. Every window opening was measured to the millimeter, while the ceiling recesses and surrounding areas were also checked to ensure a clean installation. The bathroom window required a different solution. The client wanted plenty of natural daylight, but also needed privacy from the neighboring tower. So we recommended two different blind systems for two different needs. For the bedroom, the client selected custom blackout roller blinds in a soft greige shade. To achieve better darkness, we also installed slim side channels, helping reduce the light that normally escapes around the edges of a roller blind.
For the bathroom, we installed zebra blinds in a warm taupe tone. Their alternating sheer and solid fabric bands allow the client to easily control daylight and privacy, from an open, bright view to a more private setting. Every blind was manufactured according to the exact measurements taken on site. Our installation team arrived with the blinds ready for fitting and carefully protected the bedroom and bathroom surfaces during the work. The bedroom headrails were fitted neatly inside the ceiling recess, creating a clean and built-in appearance. After installation, our technicians checked the alignment, leveled every blind, tested the mechanisms, adjusted the side channels, and cleaned the work areas. The client was also shown exactly how to operate both systems before the final handover. The result? A darker, more comfortable bedroom, flexible light and privacy control in the bathroom, and a sleek window treatment that complements the apartment without distracting from the marina views. The blackout blinds also help reduce direct sunlight entering the room, potentially easing the cooling load during sunny afternoons. Another successful transformation by Lush Loom. Looking for custom blinds for your Dubai home? Contact Lush Loom, and let's create the right window solution for your space.